Hello and welcome to another PhysTech video. Today we will be unboxing the Bobber 500, a Helium 5G hotspot by Bobcat. This is a very minimalistic packaging box with nothing but the Bobber 500 logo and the Helium 5G logo. There is virtually nothing on the sides or the back of this box. We're going to go ahead and unwrap the plastic wrap at this time. The plastic wrap is now gone. We're going to go ahead and unseal it through this small little sticker here. And the seal has been cut. Let's open her up. Oh, and there she is. Beautiful, just beautiful. No words, just no words how beautiful that is. And let's go ahead and go over the connections here. We have a DC 12 volt in, a button, power button, the Ethernet out to the small cell, the WAN that is incoming, 2 additional USB ports, which I assume is for expansion, and the LoRaWAN connection itself, RPM SMA. Other than that, and actually there is not much more to this device. Very minimalistic. It's actually kind of quite light. The front part is all plastic here. The only thing that's really metal is this grill. No, yeah, it is some sort of metal. It's aluminum, maybe. I do feel a temperature difference. It's a bit more cold. And it looks like my warranty is void if I pull this small little sticker that is already coming apart. And just push it down. I still have my warranty, right? Yeah, probably. Let's go ahead and just put that down over here and actually take a look in this box a little deeper. We have a sticker. Yeah, Bobcat sticker. That's nice. Put that over there. Let's see if there's any secrets down below. Alright, we've got our Ethernet cable. I'm just going to take a look at how this looks. Pretty basic, standard. Probably throw that in the extras pile of Ethernet. Looks like we have our DC, our power in right here. Actually, one part of it actually looks like this is just the cable. This is probably what I assume is the actual, the brick to that power cable. And last, what I can only assume is the LoRaWAN antenna. Now, I'm going to be kind of disappointed if this isn't the standard Bobcat 300. Oh, beautiful. Bobbers are going to love this. You get that classic Bobcat antenna on your Bobber 500. Nice. That's it. That's pretty much all of that is empty. Let's just take a look at this Bobber 500 one more time. And this is the mounting bracket, it looks like. Unlock, slide, unlock, slide. So in theory, if I push it this way, it unlocks and slides off. it's a little hard to get out, and this is just a plastic piece. It's a little cheap, seeing how much you probably end up paying for this device, but I guess it works. Just mount this on a wall and then slide, it looks like, yep, slide this up from the wall down on to it, mounting and then locking in on the wall. Very basic. Really is not much more to this. I think in this next little clip we will take a little bit more deeper look into how this is set up, and then maybe, just maybe, we might remove that sticker on the bottom and see what's inside. But that will be upcoming. We won't want to avoid our warranty too quickly here. So again, that is the Bobcat, or Bobber 500, the 5G Helium unit, unboxed. Thank you for visiting my channel, my video. Click like, subscribe, all that fun stuff if you've made it all the way through, and have a good one.